Hey everyone, so for today's video, I will be doing an informative talk video about the physical education and its importance, the skeletal system and its function, the skeletal muscle and musculoskeletal system and its functions.
So first, let us begin with the physical education and its importance. Physical education is education through physical. It aims to develop students with physical competence and knowledge, of movement and safety and their ability to use this to perform in a wide range of activities associated with the development of an active and healthy lifestyle. The importance of physical education is to develop students' competence and confidence to take part in a range of physical activities that become a central part of their lives, both in and out of schools.
Okay, we already know what is physical education and its importance. The next thing we will discuss is the skeletal system and its functions. Skeletal system. When we hear the word skeletal, the first thing that comes to our mind are bones and joints. Each bone is a complex living organ that is made of many cells, protein fibers, and minerals. The skeleton acts as scaffold by providing support and protection for the soft tissues that makes up the rest of the body. Before we move on, let's talk about what is cells. Cells provide structure for the body, take in nutrients from food, convert those nutrients into energy, and carry out specialized functions. The human skeleton consists of approximately 270 bones at birth. This total decreases to around 206 bones by adulthood, for some bones get fused together. The skeletal system works as a support structure for your body, and there are 5 main functions of the skeletal system. The major functions of the skeletal system are body support, facilitation of movement, protection of internal organs, storage of minerals and fat, and blood production. Skeletal system allows movement. Your skeleton supports your body weight to help you stand and move. Joints, connective tissue, and muscles work together to make your body parts mobile.
Protection of internal organs. Skeleton protects our delicate organs, preventing them from undergoing any harm. Some examples of these are skull, which protects the brain, rib cage, which protects the lungs and heart, and spinal column, which protects the spinal cord.
Blood production. Red and white blood cells are produced in the bone marrow, in either humerus, femur, or ribs. These blood cells have many responsibilities within the body. Red blood cells consist of hemoglobin, which carries oxygen around the body and to the muscle, while the white blood cells are a vital part of the body immune system, detecting and dealing with the infection. Shape and support. Skeleton is the body's framework holding our vital organs in place, not allowing move freely around our body. Without the skeleton, we would not have a posture and therefore look like a big blob, making movement really hard. We are about to finish. The last thing we will discuss the skeletal muscle, musculoskeletal muscle system, and its functions. Skeletal muscle, musculoskeletal system. Musculoskeletal system is made of 2 systems, the muscular system and the skeletal system. The muscular system is the active part of the musculoskeletal system. Muscles are between our bone and skin, and the adjoint to our bones through tendons are elastic organs that can be lengthened or shortened, causing some body part movement.
As humans have approximately 630 muscles. Muscles have 2 types of movements, voluntary and involuntary muscles. Voluntary muscles move only where we want them to, and involuntary muscles move without us realizing, like stomach and heart. The other one is the skeleton. The skeleton gives us our shape and allow us to walk, run, or jump. Bones are joined with each other by joints. They are divided into 3 groups, depending on their level of mobility. Immobile or fixed joints don't have any mobility like the ones that join our skull. Semi-mobile joints do have some mobility but not a lot, like vertebrates in our backs. Mobile joints have a great mobility, like our elbow or knee.
There are many functions of the musculoskeletal system, like posture, circulation, digestion, and urination.